Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Turnkey opportunity. This recently built 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, situated on 30,101 square feet of land in Ewarton, St. Catherine, bordering the community of Waterloo, is ideal for an investor, retiree, or family seeking their very own home. The residence was built to be used as an income earner property. The ground floor has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living and dining, in-unit laundry, and garage. The first floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living and dining, and in-unit laundry. There is a spacious rooftop terrace for relaxation and entertainment, and enough land to farm your own produce in support of the Eat What You Grow, Grow What You Eat campaign. The property is being sold as is, fully furnished with modern appliances and new built to fit furniture. All you require is your suitcase. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 43 million or US $279.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.